probably end up over at Dale's party. With one addition, though, we'd have to throw in some DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince.
Sure, I'll take requests, because you know my wife will hire an expensive DJ to come in.
Well, now you
instead
can't.
of us just
You
doing
can't add things to the thing. You know, I'm giving out $20 bills that everybody's coming.
Wait a minute. So people are coming to your party and they can't take requests?
Well, I'm just saying you can't throw that in. We can all come up with
drive.
things to
You
entice
didn't hear me.
people to
My
come.
wife, because we have to spend as much.
From that, because you're driving down the goddamn shoulder. Oh my god, fuck that. Jesus Christ. That was fucking stupid, idiot! You almost caused an accident.
In fact, he's pretty cold-blooded.
He's actually quite fast and he can be feisty.
While in the stories, the tortoise beats the hare in a race, this guy wasn't quite fast enough to outrun Leander Animal Services.
Here he goes. He's gone.
You have your own fucking lane, go!
To catch him.
Yeah.
We don't have a hair to, you know, let him race against, but I would say he's pretty quick.
Well, that was stupid. You're a fucking idiot! Dude, what the fuck?
She went to Tyler Junior College.
You did.
And I just realized we went at the same time. We were on the same campus together.
Yeah.
Was he as funny as he says?
I don't think we knew each other, and she's not on mic right now. So I wouldn't classify him junior college.
You're driving the wrong way.
Oh, that's right.
Tyler Junior College.
Love the stories even back then, didn't he?
Yeah.
Look at this idiot. What, you're driving on the wrong side of the road. You're fucking stupid. What the fuck? KW2954. Awesome.
Telluride available in limited quantities. No system, no matter how advanced, can compensate for all driver error and/or driving conditions. These features are not substitutes for safe driving and may not detect all objects in front of the vehicle. Always drive safely and use caution.
Academy Sports and Outdoors is now open in Georgetown. The new Georgetown store is full of the sporting goods and outdoors gear you need to have fun with family and friends. Academy has been proudly outfitting Texas since
Have the power